Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is December the 31st, 2020, and it's been 11 days, or 10 days since we did our last video for Ethereum. So we felt like we was going to come in today and give you all the update on this particular cryptocurrency and give you all the expectation as to where we are seeing the market go right before the market gets there, so that we can profit right alongside with the trap. Now, if this is your first time watching our video and you all appreciate our content, the simplicity of our speech, as well as on our price chart, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel as well. Starting sometime in January 2020, we're going to start live streaming so that we can converse and conversate on these particular cryptocurrencies in the market, give you all the expectation, give you all the opportunity to forecast right alongside with us. And if you all have any questions, you guys can answer those questions during those live stream. Just try to engage a little bit more with our community of individuals who like to predict the price movement of the cryptocurrencies in the market today. So if that is something that is interesting to you, look forward to that coming January 2021. All right. Also, make sure hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, give everyone else opportunity to see that it is possible to predict price movement all without being confused. Because once you realize that the trap is the individual who controls the price, you can actually get an idea where the price is likely to go. You guys can see right here. The last time we did our video for Ethereum was on December the 21st, 2020, and we played some weakness into the market. And that is precisely what occurred. Ethereum went lower. We told you all that the market was anticipated to go lower in price, and we had an ultimate TP price right there around $562, $560, and the market broke that on December 23rd. So 2 days into our forecast, the trap came and did precisely what we expected him to do. That was 6.47% profitability taken out the market. We took the bag on that particular forecast because we anticipated him to lower the price of Ethereum, and he did just that. So congratulations to those who was able to capture that movement to the downside on December the 23rd. 6.47% profitability was taken out the market. Congratulations to those. So now, as always, since this is done and over, we look forward into the market to get an expectation as to where the market is headed, so with that we can get another applause from taking the bag back from the trap. So let's go ahead and get rid of this real quick into the market and look forward into Ethereum now. So first question I have for you is, what direction is the market in Ethereum going in? Just a quick answer. Is it going higher? Is it going lower? Your answer should be the market in Ethereum is going higher in price. Very good. That is so true. This trend into the market in Ethereum looked like it is not going to stop. But when you look down into the market for Ethereum, where was the last time this market found a restriction area? Just looking at the chart without using no technical indicators, look at this chart and tell me what price did the trap have an issue at breaking above. If you said around $800, you are precisely correct. This was it. I would say in around 800. It even topped out a little bit higher, around like $835. That's it. So we now see the area of which we are expecting more sellers to overpower the ones who expect the market to go higher. Ethereum is definitely in a massive uptrend right now. We haven't seen the price of Ethereum trade in this particular level since May 20th, 2018. Well over 2 years. This market hasn't been trading in this particular vicinity. So yeah, the market in Ethereum is definitely in a bullish trend right now. So we're going to hold this restriction line right here into the market in Ethereum, because we are expecting some sellers to try to come into the market in Ethereum. And one reason why we're still expecting some of this trend to continue is because the market broke this area of restriction and now it acted as support at $700. When you look at these different time frames in Ethereum as well, you can see that this market is still showing us strength. This last completed 5-day price bar definitely tells us that the strength into the market in Ethereum is still there. Plain and simple. When you look at this on a weekly time frame, you get the same type of idea. We saw a lot of sellers come into the market right here on this last completed weekly price bar, and we still close higher than the overall low of that weekly price bar. So we're still seeing strength into the market in Ethereum. Very, very good to see that play out, right? Since we're on the last day of the month, let's look at the monthly time frame in Ethereum. And this definitely is hinting that this market in Ethereum is going to continue to go higher in price. So much so that $800 level doesn't look like it's going to hold back the market from even moving lower. This $800 price level that we have as restriction doesn't look to be a problem from the trap to continue to move this price higher. Okay. So it's simple. We're not expecting the market in Ethereum, especially in the long term, to go lower, just not yet. And it's not being reflected on the price charts. On none of these time frames that we picked out so far, we're not seeing any weakness into the market. Now, that doesn't mean that you're not going to see this particular cryptocurrency go lower. That's why I wanted to tell you about $700. So long as the market in Ethereum trades above $700, we're going to continue to see this market inch higher. It's anticipated and forecast for that to occur because the trap is telling us what he is going to do. So right now, let's go ahead and put this forecast into the market for Ethereum real quick. And we have around $800. Definitely, when you saw that market on a weekly time frame in Ethereum, this area 840 is definitely an area that can be tagged out into the market for Ethereum. Okay, so we're going to take the ultimate TP price there in Ethereum around $840. Okay, so we have that there, and I told you that the market needs to hold support right there around $700, but I'm gonna bring around 685 just so that we can continue, just in case there's a small chance that the market actually dips a little bit lower than $700, and that's it. It's not hard. It's easy to understand and grasp. For us, we would TP right there around $800 because we saw the market finding some issues in Ethereum last time in 2018 that the trap was trading the price level there. Okay, so I can also say there's a small outlier that $775 could be a restriction area as well. So just keep that in mind too. But this is it. This is our expectations going forward into the market in Ethereum. We are going to play some of this strength into the market still. Now it's your turn. What are you all seeing into the market for Ethereum? Will this market continue to go higher in price? We're in position. We are forecasting or predicting that the market is going to continue to go higher based off what the trap has already laid down for us. You might see something totally different. Let us know. Where will the market be in Ethereum in the next 10 trading days? Tell everyone in our community, what are you seeing? And also, we're a community that is not trying to be confusing. So the comment that you leave for each and every one of us, don't make it complicated. Simply tell us where you expect the market in Ethereum to go in 10 days and where would you TP out? TP simply means take profit. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Go and trade different.